talk to you about, should you lease or should you buy or should you do a power purchase agreement program for your solar. Everybody's going to tell you one thing or another, and the thing that you have to remember is every house is different, every person's needs are different. So one of the things that you need to do is call up your utility, if it's PG&E or SMUD or whatever your utility is. You get your annual usage. There's a little bar graph usually on the front that explains how much you use on a monthly basis and then how much you use on a yearly basis. You want to then find out how much they charge you for the whole year and how many kilowatts that is. When you divide the amount that you pay into the number of kilowatts that you use, that'll tell you your kilowatt rate per hour. The base rate for PG&E is now 23 cents. When we're filming this video near the beginning of 2020, it just went up. Another rate increase. They're going to be going up another 8% this year for a total of 13% maybe. So anyway, 23 cents. And if you get into the second tier, or if you're at different times of use rates, it can be as high as 45 cents. So the average of everything throughout the year will give you what they charge you on a kilowatt basis on an average. And so you want to find a rate program with its either a power purchase agreement or a leasing program, or if you can buy it, where after everything is said and done, if you're buying it, your kilowatt rate schedule can be reduced. And then if you're buying it, maybe a 10 or 15 year turnaround time to where you no longer pay for electricity anymore because you either paid cash or your loan is paid off. But if you want a lease or a PPA agreement, it should be, if the base rate's 23 cents in PG&E, see if you can get it as low as 19 cents or even more. So, but every house is different. We can explain in another video what the difference between a power purchase agreement, a PPA, or a leasing program is, what that benefits to whether you should own it or lease it or do a PPA. Everybody's different. So the best thing is to get a consultation, and if you want me to help you out, you can reach out to me at 415-341-2646, or look at the link to this video and click in there, and you can send me a message and we can get back to you. But hopefully I was able to help you understand how much less you should be paying for electricity and how you can find that out. All you do is call your utility and they give you your usage for the year. So anyway, I hope I was of some value to you. Thanks so much.